which expression is equivalent to, and we have 3 times 2k minus 5 in parentheses, minus, and in parentheses we have 9k plus 4. So first we have to simplify this expression. Let me copy. We have 3 times 2k minus 5 minus, and in parentheses we have 9k plus 4. Because in parentheses we cannot do anything because we have different expressions, 2k and 5, so we cannot combine, and 9k and 4. So what we have to do? We have to multiply first expression in parentheses by 3 first. So it will be 3 times 2k minus, and we have 3 times 5. And now before parentheses we have negative sign. It means we have to change the sign expressions in parentheses to opposite. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So positive and negative will be negative 9k. Negative and positive, so will be negative 4. So this is equal. Now we have to do multiplication first. Now 3 times 2, so will be 6k, we copy, minus 3 times 5 is 15. And we have 9k and negative 4. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have 6k and negative 9k, and we have negative 15 and negative 4. 6k and negative k, we have to copy the sign of larger numbers. So negative will be, and 9 minus 6 is 3. K we copy. Negative 15 and negative 4. So both numbers are negative, so we copy negative sign. 15 plus 4 is 19. So we see that the solution, the correct solution is in the second expression. So this is my solution.